Wakatobi National Park. Next, we journey to Wakatobi National Park in southeast Sulawesi, an area renowned for its rich marine biodiversity. The park comprises 4 main islands: Wangiwangi, Kaladupa, Tomia, and Binonko, and is one of the most famous diving and snorkeling destinations in the world. Wakatobi National Park was established in 1996 to protect its unique marine ecosystems. The name Wakatobi is an acronym derived from the first 2 letters of the 4 main islands: Wangiwangi, Kaladupa, Tomia, and Binonko. The local population consists of various ethnic groups, including the Bajo, known as sea nomads, who have a unique maritime culture. Traditional fishing practices and local crafts are an integral part of life in Wakatobi.